got Nisha, Trippin', Sailor, yeah, and Casually. They all smokers, that's why they chillin'. I'm so nervous, y'all. I be stuttering. Catch me posted with some okay, one more time. Catch me posted with some baddies like I'm Rolly or I'm Natalie. Can I hear that? I ain't even sneeze. I get freak nasty. Suck it till I'm raspy. If that nigga phone on D&D. Hollywood Cashley. Catch me posted with some baddies like I'm Rolly or I'm Natalie. I'ma always stay up cause I'm popping like a natty. Trying to get under my skin. Whole time I be laughing cause a lot of shit be funny when you pretty and having. What's my name? Me in the flesh. You just changed it. It gets scary vibes. Kitchen with me. Stay on this like baby. Fuck. I forgot every. Slim Poochie, you know I keep a bankroll. I'm pimping all these niggas and I'm fucking on they hoes. Bitch, I'm really cold. I got you wiping on your nose. Now these bitches sick. I got they niggas at my show. I'm really cold. I got you wiping on your nose. Now these bitches sick. I got they niggas at my shows. Yeah. Which one? That one. We real mothers. Wait, I'm after you.
Bob. This is the life of a single mom.
Real mothers in this hole. In the studio.
Multitasking.
Yeah. Alright, look. That should be like this party.
I didn't catch my breath. I feel like I just did a whole lot of back and forth running. Trippy bad as fuck, I'm on they ass. You know what's up with me. These bitches be my daughters, but I'm giving. But I'ma keep these bitches pressed. Got a fave nigga obsessed, and that's too bad he still can't fuck. I'm untouched like my friend request.
Whew, okay, I already got nervous. Hold on. Okay. Whew.
I been the way they can't replace, bitch. I won the race. I puff the flame, it ain't the same, bitch. I play no games.
Okay, y'all, real quick though. So the reason why I wanted to do this is because y'all right?
Yeah, I'm
No, because y'all know Daytona, it's kind of hard for people to come together in Daytona. So that's why I wanted to do this, especially bitches. So the fact that y'all came, amen. And Ski, y'all know Ski. But you been doing this shit since I was in middle school, right? And I really wanted to literally give you your flowers. For everything you did.
Damn, this crazy.
Yes. He been doing this shit. This is your birthday. His birthday was yesterday.
I appreciate that.
Yes,
I didn't know you was going to do this.
I know you did, but that's why I wanted you to come from.
I appreciate that.
Of course. Thank you for coming.
Appreciate you.
Yes. That nigga been doing this shit since I was like 12, my nigga. Like, you gotta give people your flowers. People don't do that around here either.
Hell nah.
They don't. But we gonna change this shit around. We gonna get together.
If I knock you off the rack, look at her, she wanna be me, copy me, and that's a fact. Bitches throwing shots, I treat them like her nigga, send them back. It's like these books will knock you off the rack. Look at her, she wanna be me, copy me, and that's a fact. Bitches throwing shots, I treat them like her nigga, send them back. Pretty little baby, been a baddie since fresh out the top.
When all these niggas and I'm fucking on they hoes. Bitch, I'm really cold, I got you wiping on your nose. Now these bitches got they niggas
I have
at
a
my
secret.
shows.
Well, it's not a secret. I'm not the only one here with a child. Baby in her stomach.
You know I keep a bankroll.
Laying down his raps.
And all these niggas and I'm fucking on they hoes. Bitch, I'm really cold. I got you wiping on your nose. Now these bitches sick. I got they niggas.
Oh, I feel so bad. I was trying to shove that shit down your throat. I'm so sorry. Congratulations. I did not know that, girl. She's with child.
Yo, he get it acting stupid. I just go turn up my radio. And if you wanna get a verse with me, you gotta pay.
Oh, that's what I'm going on, man.
Shout out, Bob.
I got it.
Yeah,
I do. I should have took me a shot.
Hey.
Okay, now we know where it started. Okay, now we know
Okay,
where
right.
it
One more
started.
time. All right.
Hey, shout out Daytona, shout out 386, shout out Bob shot
You know
you.
what the fuck going on?
Yeah.
I don't know. Are we recording?
And shout out Skibo, nigga.
Up next.
Up next.
Okay.
Suck it till I'm raspy. If that nigga phone on D&D, probably wait cash me. For Gucci, you know I keep a bankroll. I'm pimping all these niggas and I'm fucking on they hoe. Bitch, I'm really cold. I got you wiping on your nose. Now
Request. I mean, I never do too much. I heard she giving all she got. And so the moms that raise a thigh. I know I pop it. Even my eyes give me my props. Of course, these hoes gon' sip everything about me, T. I'm 5'1" petite, but bitch don't think I'm with the sweet. Bitches ain't seeing me. I don't give a fuck if her name was Raven. Hoes late. All about a payment till I'm 4 PF like Lil Baby.
yeah, catch me posted with some baddies like I'm Rolly or I'm Natty. Yeah, I always stay up, cause I'm popping like an addy. Tryna get under my skin, whole time I be laughing. Cause a lot of shit be funny when you pretty and happy. What's my name? That bitch, what I do? Talk shit where I'm at on a whole head like a bad wig. Cut up like a bad kid, I ain't never lied. See me in the flesh and ain't do shit. It gets scary vibe in the kitchen with me. Stay on nets like D&B. He gon' bless me every time he see me. I ain't even sneeze. I get freak nasty. Suck it till I'm raspy. If that nigga phone on D&D, probably wait cash me. For Gucci, you know I keep a bankroll. I'm pimping all these niggas and I'm fucking on they hoes. Bitch, I'm really cold. I got you wiping on your nose. Now these bitches sick. I got they niggas at my shows. Get in the booth and bitch, you know I'm going stupid. And I'm knowing I'm the hottest. I don't do too much to prove it. Bitch, you losing. Now you acting mad cause your nigga choosing. All my songs, a nigga fall in love with me just like I'm Cupid. And now I got my songs playing on the radio. He get the acting stupid, I just go turn up my radio. And if you wanna get a verse with me, you gotta pay me. Ho, a badass bitch from Daytona, I'm a wavy hoe.
Trippy bad as fuck, I'm on they ass, you know what's up with me. These bitches be my daughters, but I'm giving Casey Anthony. I'm killing hoes, I'm 1-on-1, little bitch, don't call me twin. You can't fuck up without a line, I know they don't wanna see me win. But I'ma keep these bitches pressed. Got a fake nigga upset, and that's too bad, he still can't fuck. I'ma touch like my friend request. I miss him, never do too much, I heard she giving all she got. And so the moms ain't raising thigh, I know I pop it, even my eyes give me my props. Of course, these hoes gon' sip everything about me, T. I'm 5'1" petite, but bitch don't think I'm weak and sweet. Bitches ain't seeing me. I don't give a fuck if her name was Raven. Hoes late, all about a payment till I'm 4 PF like Lil Baby.
Shout out 386, shout out Bob shot you.
What the fuck going on?
Yeah, shout out Skibo, nigga. Hey, man, now y'all keep over.
They know that when they see me, guarantee I'm smoking. I've been so high, I've been the prize that y'all see I'm chosen. Heart been frozen, been the coldest, hear your heart is holding. Busy smoking, chose to blow and see the gas is potent. Certified stoner, blowing high the pain. Fuck that nigga, I'm a loner, they be in my face. I've been away, they can't replace, bitch, I wanna race. I pop the flame, ain't shit the same, bitch, I play no games. Puffin' green in the leaf, all the money, the mission, they hurt you just for a mention. I know it's hard just pretending. Bitch, I been around, they wonder why they flow ain't the same. I show when I turn in the cup, watch my pockets gain weight.
One thing bitches hate to see, pretty bitches like they rap. Making up these stories like these books, I'll knock you off the rack. Look at her, she wanna be me, copy me, and that's a fact. Bitches throwing shots, I treat them like her niggas, send them back. Pretty little baby, been a baddie since fresh out the top. Bitches getting loud with me, girl, who you think you is, my I ain't gotta lie, man, the girl, he's really up now. Fucking on that nigga while I'm fucking up on all the chat. Riding on my way, so I'm switching up the flow. Big boss shade, man, you bitches always know. Looking on my page, bitch, welcome to the show. 45 to the nose, stand back and let it blow.